Petty fam.
Hey, Petty fam.
We're doing the royal family.
We really argued on camera over this.
Let's get into it. What y'all arguing about?
For real, it's Vlogmas Day
What's up,
23.
royal family? It's your boy
Vlogmas.
ClarenceNYC, and it's a lovely morning. Just got out the shower. It's about 9 a.m. right now.
You alright?
A little early. Queen is still asleep. Queen's not
Asleep.
up yet. I ordered her some breakfast though.
No.
Hopefully she's still asleep.
Oh, that's sweet.
Breakfast in bed for the queen.
Breakfast in bed. Some little Starbucks, little Bucky.
Okay.
Little Buckies.
Little
We
bucket.
about to get our day started. You know what I'm saying? We was up pretty late last night. We was watching this movie called Split. It's like he has like 20 different personalities and shit.
Oh, shucks.
It was him. Queen didn't get to finish it because she fell asleep, but that movie was ham. And look who's up and coming down the stairs.
Oh,
He was
legend.
playing with his toys, so he decided to come downstairs.
He
Hey,
a grown man.
baby.
He just come on down.
Hey,
He got his bottle.
good morning.
He
Good
said, I
morning.
got my breakfast.
Good morning. Oh my God, he's so smart.
He said, watch.
Did you just pick that up and say watch?
You said that it is your watch.
How do you know that? How do you know that? Watch. How do you know that, legend? How do you know that's a watch? Oh my God, that's crazy. How do you know that? Watch. He like I said, guys, he never seems to stop amazing me. He's like literally almost damn near talking. Yeah, better. Good job. Legend, what's that? What's that? He says hair. All he does is says hair.
It does go in your
He doesn't
hair.
know
He
that it's
almost
a hair
worked.
brush, but he says hair. He's so smart, man. The cleaning people just got here, so we're about to clean. Not we, but they're about to clean the house. You know what I'm saying? It's lit right before Christmas. Gotta have a clean house. I'm gonna turn on the camera when Queen wakes up or when the food gets here. So I'll be right back. Yeti. Legend, you're not supposed to be playing with that over here. No. That you can't play with that. What's this? What's
Is
this?
that a cone of moss?
He looked over at me and said, tree. See, he knows. But when your mom wakes up, she's gonna kill you. Look what you did.
He said the cleaning
Like, that's
people
not
are
nice,
there.
don't worry. My
Right.
other video I told y'all, you know what Queen wears for the week? Those are her clothes that she wore this week. So she wore the big
Why
pants.
you show her?
yesterday.
Why you show her?
Claire.
Yesterday, wore the big pants
She-
Eddie
yesterday.
Claire.
So everything's there,
She
you know?
sleep.
I mean, get some stick
No,
it
that's
up.
not my shirt, babe. That's all your clothes.
Why you wake her up like that?
Don't do
I
that.
got her some breakfast.
You should just been nice and get her the breakfast.
Starbucks.
Sausage, bacon, cheddar. Oh, snap. Thank you.
Caramel frap. Get your caramel. Oh, Legend's so smart this year.
She's so sleepy.
Ew.
You left your rollie downstairs, right? And he picked
I didn't get to wipe my makeup off.
Oh, Queen, don't sleep in your makeup.
Watch.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, you
I
know
got it on
what? So
video.
first of all, Clarence didn't let me get the crust out my eye before he wanted to complain about something. Let me tell you guys how Clarence
He
is
gave you
such an
breakfast,
exaggerator.
though.
Literally, those bait pans that were down there last night, it's only because, no, I had it on yesterday and I took it off. Why? Because you was trying to match me, for one, and was rushing out for the vlog. Two, that black shirt and those jeans, I took that off super late and left it there because he wanted me to take my clothes off last night. He wanted to do the nasty.
Uh-oh.
Now, who goes to
Whoa.
bed at 4 in the morning and put their clothes up? I don't think so. It's not for what I wore the whole week. Thank you.
And that's why she couldn't wash her makeup off
No.
either.
Okay,
Right.
No, you didn't. You probably did that this morning. Yeah, because he's an exaggerator.
When
You're
have-
lying.
when have we-
You're lying.
Have we ever
You're
matched?
lying.
And you said to yourself, I'm gonna change. I don't want to match Clarence. When have you said that?
Yesterday.
But it makes sense that she left her makeup on too.
Right.
I believe her then.
Yeah, she would've took her makeup off.
Right.
He counting stuff. He organizing
that?
shapes. He like, okay, hold on,
Say
y'all supposed to be
banana?
over there.
He said, Mommy, can I just
Orange.
eat? He So yeah, I would like one of those.
Cheerios.
Right.
I'll take one of
He said, I like these.
He's like, I don't care and I don't know and leave you alone. I don't know about y'all, but you gotta have caramel with the frat. Other than that, I won't drink it. Truthfully, y'all, I'm about to be on the toilet though.
Uh-oh.
Why? I know it's almond milk, but it's still some type of coffee. And coffee coffee will do it to you. I need to put something on here though, cause I'm about to say, babe, don't ever tell me ketchup. That's disrespectful.
Yeah, jelly.
Yeah, you need
So
some
the house
jelly.
is all clean now, as you guys can see. I have some things to do today. I have to wrap the rest of the gifts here. Me and Clarence, we didn't wrap each other's gifts. Like, that's just too much. We're only gonna wrap the kids, but I told myself that I was going to organize this terribly unorganized pantry. Like, it just looks so terrible, y'all. Like, I don't know how it got to this point, but this is just horrible. So I was thinking about going to the store and getting like these containers that you put the cereals in, but the fact is,
Just hire an organizer.
you never know what you're gonna get, so I can't have like labeled containers or whatever. So I am going to organize this and then wrap those gifts afterwards. And I'm going to have my facial guy come and do me a facial, because I haven't had one, I think, for like 2 weeks. Because as y'all can see, your girl is
I can't see.
breaking back out. I know why, you know, girl team. I don't know if you guys want to see that. You can stay here in the video. Oh, I want to tell y'all something. Yesterday I went to the mall, and it's only like a few left because my tongue is burning right now. I literally ate. First of all, I just sucked them and spit them out because I'm not about to chew that hard thing. Before I organize the pantry, I want to see. Well, no, this is my favorite. I want to see your reaction to this.
It's a warhead?
You had one before, right? I know, but it's been a while. I hadn't.
What was your reaction?
They didn't see my reaction. My tongue burning though. I ate it off camera.
No, so, come on, let's do it with me.
Oh yeah, do the
Babe, my
challenge
tongue burning,
together.
no.
Come on, you gotta do it with me. I used to like these.
They burn the heck out. You gotta put like 2 in your mouth for one.
No, wait.
No, do it. Because I already ate like the whole bag.
No, do it.
Look, she high up that candy.
Are you gonna do both?
2, I can't do 2, man.
She got
But
a
you
sugar
got
rush.
2, you ain't had none. Ready?
Where's yours?
Put it in here. Do both at the same time.
Babe.
Hey, do both at the same time.
She is
She's
so.
trying to get him a reaction.
Her this candy.
Here.
Don't give Queen no candy no more.
Especially after she had that caramel frap.
Put
Right.
them in your mouth.
She like a kid after they got the candy.
No.
Do it. Look at his face. Look, Queen.
It's burning. Ah. Oh, God.
Oh, he hit him too. It's good though.
It's burning the middle part of my tongue.
I'm good, but it went down.
He's a hard straight rough.
I'm about to organize the pantry.
It went down the wrong pipe. Real quick.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, right.
You want to cook with me?
That was super light.
You want to cook with me?
I'm pretty sure if we go online, we can find it.
No, Warheads is the most extreme sour candy I ever tasted.
That was super light just now. I can do that again.
Then do it again then. Go. But burn your tongue. Go ahead. Babe, do another one.
Look at his face.
Look at that face.
Look at.
There you go. There you go. It hit him hard this time. It was a different flavor. He wasn't ready for it. Look at him. Look at his face.
Your eyes
He turned red. His eyes watering.
Stop breathing, yo.
Super light.
Babe, what you want to eat?
Did you spit them out?
Probably.
Want to have a cooking battle? Who make the best chopped cheese?
You need help with this?
Yes. Yes, I do.
I'll help you if you say I'm the most organized person in your life.
I don't know, because it could possibly be Monique.
Oh.
Let me see if I can think about anybody else's.
Why can't you just say
I think Lee might be a little bit more organized than me.
Oh.
No way.
What do you mean, no way?
Do you want help or not, Queen?
He'll get the last.
Just say it. It ain't gotta be true.
Cheerios, any type of Cheerios in your cabinet, and you don't know what you're missing. Clarence still got these Durkios that he ain't got signed yet, or he won't eat. So, babe, you need to put these in your room, like for real. Put these in your room. Put them in your room.
Don't tell me
Alright,
what to
y'all,
do.
so y'all can see we emptying out the cabinets, and I'm hoping that Clarence doesn't try to throw out the good stuff, because Clarence loves to just throw things away. Now we put.
Our pantry's overwhelmed
It is.
and frustrated.
Frustrated.
Yeah, it is. It's right now like, I'm full.
Yeah, sad.
I'm so full.
Why she eat it? She told
You
it.
know why? Because there's marshmallows just sitting
We
there.
used those. We did use them.
Why he slammed down?
What you doing though?
That booty on
Trying to dance.
Don't do that.
Hey, what I want to do is remove all that candy. Nope.
Yes, that needs to go. That need to go. Away.
Legend Loyal, man.
But we bought these 3 years ago.
Oh,
Yeah.
not 3 years ago.
Oh, please let them be pizza.
They older than legend.
Okay.
Low calorie popcorn. Y'all, like, this stuff, I haven't used this ever. Oh, we do need to use the Pop Secret and watch movies tonight. Yes, let's do it.
They need to do, does it bring you joy? Like,
Right.
what's that? What was that method?
Oh yeah.
Question, boo. Oh my god, we have hot chocolate with the marshmallows. Wow, we really are taking advantage. Oh, we should do a hot chocolate drive. Like, just like make a whole bunch of hot chocolates in a cup and just hand it out instead of water boys, because people want hot chocolate. Babe, this calls for a movie. We need to watch a movie and eat popcorn. Like, ain't no way. Ain't no way.
She's so excited.
Ain't no way.
Yeah. So Queen just ran to the store real quick to go get some containers. And I feel like this is the perfect time for me to just start throwing stuff away.
No, Claire. She was so
She's
excited about
not
this.
gonna care about, but if she's in the presence of it, then she cares about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, look.
Comment below if your
Open
method of
Twizzlers.
cleaning.
Look how hard these things are.
It's throwing stuff
It's
away.
throwing stuff away.
Knock
Me.
you out. You know what I'm saying? I guarantee if she was here, like, no, they still good. All you gotta do is
Still
warm them
good.
up.
Warm them up. No, they old.
Nah, that's for her health.
Yeah.
These marshmallows, like,
They use two of them.
we don't need marshmallows, especially we don't need green and red marshmallows. You know what I'm saying?
Well, she's gonna make some more s'mores.
I
Right.
don't know why, but I don't know. I don't know why she would want to keep these, but
Ooh.
They wasn't bad.
They wasn't closed up.
Yeah.
He gonna eat a couple. He said, "Man."
Stop. Why you gotta eat everything? Look at the expiration
Now,
date.
you had those nachos for your nacho salad.
Yeah, because what if you want some more nachos tacos?
That's what they gonna argue about. She gonna be mad.
Yikes. He'll get some more.
He gonna do the "Do I like it" channel. It's like, if I
Right.
like it, I ain't throwing it away.
He gonna eat it all.
He's like, he gonna say it up.
weird. Not bad though.
I told you he was gonna take him.
Pistachios for sure.
You know he the king of snacks.
Oh yeah. If it ain't
The
snack
jello
king to
bits, can I
improve.
just put it back in a fridge and get hard one?
This is harder than I thought. The kitchen was super clean when I showed you guys. Now look at it.
Bro, the cleaning people clean today.
I know.
Like literally.
Like, but
That's
so
why I said
far,
we should have did this before the event.
so far we've made some progress.
That
It looks
good.
nice.
You know, we still haven't.
The containers in use.
You know, haven't fully finished. Clarence threw out a lot of things, so I know he's very satisfied. He threw out my marshmallows that I said I liked when I was gone.
Yeah, we
And
tried
I
to
feel
tell
like
him
that
to
was
stop.
that was a snake move. That was sneaky
Nope.
and wrong.
Oh.
And you know,
You'll thank me later.
it's not. No, I'm not gonna thank you later, nigga. I'm gonna still be thinking about my syrup. I'm not. When I go to pour my syrup on my little Eggo waffles, I'm gonna think about how you threw my stuff away.
Nah, you can use the sugar free now.
I don't want the sugar free. That's for the kids. Do I tell you to not eat like? He be making me so mad for my life. I told him I'm this close to just letting him do the full thing or let me do it. I want to do it with him because he's just like, just get on my nerves right now, y'all.
Y'all, not over no marshmallows.
And then, but when it's something that you like though, like your favorite little Tabasco, if I throw that out, then what? Then what? Then what? Ain't no nothing. What? All right, so then I would throw it away then. Now I'm gonna throw it away. You want me to throw it away?
If you would like to.
Yo, you got my freaking nerves. Ugh.
If it makes you happy, do what makes you happy. I always tell you that. Do what makes you happy, baby girl.
All right, you know what? I ain't gonna
To
pick
do what
with
make
you.
you happy, baby girl.
I'm gonna pick with your PS5. How about that? How about that? No, it is. It's very relatable.
Comparing my PS5 to a bottle of syrup.
Yeah. I'm gonna mess with that
She
PS5
pretty
and see how you
today.
feel. How about something? It's just syrup. No, it's the principle. No. How about if I touch something that you love so dearly?
You love syrup?
I love food.
She said, yeah, when I get my
Just
pancake.
throwing my stuff out without my permission.
I need your permission to throw anything out.
If it's mine, I eat it. Yes, you do. Yo. Woo.
Queen hot today.
Oh, you
She
want
was happy at first.
Oh, he got on my nerves right now. I swear, bro. It's our little giveaway box. We ain't eating none of that. We got a whole thing of hot chocolate. We should have a hot chocolate drive, yo. And just go give away. You know how the water boys do in Atlanta? Go stand out in the street and just give away cups of hot chocolate.
Her this idea, she ain't gonna let it go.
Look at that. How much hot chocolate we got? I don't know why Clarence got all these nuts. You ain't never gonna eat all these nuts.
Those ain't my nuts.
But you didn't buy these nuts for you.
Oh, the box I ate, I already ate it.
So what is
The box I ate, I already ate it.
I had peanut butter kisses in there.
Okay, well I never bought no mix. I never bought mix.
What
no,
the?
babe.
Yeah.
You an old man. You be eating nuts,
Hey, you be eating mine.
babe. Get out of here.
Claire.
You don't get them ate ever again. So
Uh-oh.
anyway, y'all, we thought we was gonna have us
She's
like
so mad.
a different type of vlog.
Her bonnet is matching her
It's
shirt.
already
Yeah.
the evening time.
I'm about to be done. Honestly.
I'm about to go up to sleep.
How y'all gonna leave it
Go
undone like
to
this?
sleep. And don't look at me like that, because
Let you go be down this snack.
Child, right. You know you
These
can walk
things
down the
that I
stairs
really
like a
don't
grown
on
man.
that I feel like could be useful. These bottles, I feel like some baby would love these. All of this milk.
Oh
This
yeah.
Infogrowth. Some baby would love it. So anybody in Atlanta, if you guys are here, your child is in a stage of transitioning, Gentle Ease Infogrowth, please put it in the comments, because I do not want to waste that. That's so much money. No, I do like my sunflower seeds. I bought the ones without
I'm going these up.
I guess, yeah, I don't eat Jello. Jello sucks. And yeah, so we're making progress, y'all, but we're not gonna keep y'all here to finish because it's gonna take too long. So probably next vlog we'll show you guys the finished product. You throwing out all your margarita juice?
I would like to show them today. Come on, let's go. Let's show them today. Come on.
Babe, we're not gonna be able to. Babe, we not
Let's
gonna.
hurry.
It's gonna take too
Just
long.
hurry.
That's your shirt with your bonnet?
He just noticed it. I see you, Queen.
Yes,
Now,
I try to match my shirt with my bonnet.
go girl, I like it.
It matches perfectly.
Yeah, that looks like the only shirt in the world that would match it.
I got this bonnet from Sensational Silk or something like that. I guess we're gonna try to finish this. I'm gonna let Clarence finish this, and then we'll show you guys. Really, babe, it's nothing really to show them because we have to buy more containers.
Why are you singing? He's singing. He delirious now.
Oh wait, I found another container.
It's all that random
Oh,
candy.
powdered sugar.
Yeah.
Babe, why are you doing that?
You sounded mad funny.
That's sugar. He on the sugar high too.
That's dumb funny.
He can't even breathe.
But
Young girl.
Like, shut up.
I've never seen.
Hey guys.
Why are you making
Can't
her?
even breathe.
Babe, you do the same stuff.
He about to trip over
Alright,
spoon.
y'all. Babe, stop.
Y'all ain't never gonna get
I'm
finished.
just irritated. I'm about to come on my period.
Oh, you are? Oh.
Yes, I am.
You gonna call up after being funny?
And you got the nerve to throw out my syrup.
Come on, baby. Put the camera down. Okay, you guys. Put the camera down.
You know how you mad at somebody you don't want to laugh, but they just keep making you laugh. That's annoying.
You're irritating again.
I'll make you get mad. Huh?
Babe, stop.
Oh.
Yeah, let me get that.
Babe, no.
Yeah, he don't like when I touch that booty thing.
Stop. How you gonna harass him?
We are going to show you what we did.
All he did was, hey, you guys.
Y'all know how it looked before.
Okay.
So, this is what we ended up.
Okay,
That
that
looks
looks
a lot better.
nice.
It looks so much better now.
Good
Yes.
job.
Look at so much better. So much better. And this is the end of our video because pretty sure, yeah, it's getting late. I have my coat in the house, my long coat. Claire's just pissing me off. So
Uh-oh. Girl, no, it's just PMS.
say bye to you guys alone. That's it, period.
He really do get a coat.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.